Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best miter saws for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Bosch 120-volt 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw. The Bosch exclusive axial glide offers wider cross-cuts, enhanced alignment, and a smooth glide for the life of the tool. The Bosch miter saw 15-amp motor delivers no load speeds of 3,800 RPM for quick, accurate cuts in many materials. For added convenience and versatility, the saw is compatible with a variety of 12-in blades and it has a clear lower guard to provide unobstructed cutline visibility. The GCM12SD provides easy adjustments with upfront bevel and miter controls and detents at common angles. The saw's all-metal bevel lock lever and range selector are located up front to make bevel adjustments easy. At number 4, DEWALT 12 inches DWS 715 miter saw. The DWS 715 is a stout 15-amp miter saw with a 12-inch blade that's capable of sinking its teeth into anything 5 inches thick and 8 inches wide or smaller. Overall, it's a very capable saw, but it's more expensive than some of its closest competitors without offering quite as many notable features. That said, DEWALT is known for producing sturdy tools with a very high build quality and this saw certainly lives up to that reputation. With the DWS 715, you get a tall fence that's great for cutting larger material. The fence even slides out of the way for doing beveled cuts, but the blade only bevels to the left, unlike the Metabo saw in the position ahead of this DEWALT. This saw also doesn't have a laser light for lining up your cut. However, the DEWALT is a good bit lighter at just over 40 pounds. DEWALT covers their tools with a 3-year warranty, which isn't the best in the industry, but it's far better than nothing. At number 3, WEN MM1214T 15-amp 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser. This versatile saw bevels and miters up to 45 degrees in either direction with a front bevel control for fast and easy adjustment. Cut boards up to 13-3/8 in. W and 3-1/2 in. Thick or make compound cuts, 45 degrees bevel and 45 degrees M, in boards 9-1/2 in. W and 2-1/8 in. Thick. The saw features 9-meter stops, 2 at 15 degrees, 2 at 22.5 degrees, 2 at 30 degrees, 2 at 45 degrees and 1 at 0. However, if a more unique angle is preferred, the miter lock still allows the saw to lock at any angle between those stops. This spacious saw also features a 7-1/2 in crown molding nested capacity and a 6-3/4 in base board vertical capacity. This package also includes a 12-in 60-tooth carbide tipped blade, with 1-in arbor, 2 retractable table extensions with workstops, 1 clamp assembly, a Class 2 laser guide, an LED work light, and a dust bag. The onboard laser illuminates the line of cut for maximum accuracy while the LED work light brightens your work area for easy sawing. At number 2, DEWALT DWS 779 12 inches sliding compound miter saw. The DEWALT DWS 779 slide compound miter saw is ideal for most cutting applications including crown molding up to 7-1/2 in. This miter saw is designed with a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that delivers extended power and durability. The exclusive back fence design cuts up to 2x14 dimensional lumbers at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. Precise miter system and machined base fence support cam lock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles for DEWALT miter saw. Dual horizontal steel rails with innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings for accuracy and durability. Finally at number 1, Metabo HTPC10FCGS 10 inches compound miter saw. Power tools can get expensive, and miter saws are on the larger, higher-priced end of the spectrum. But with the Metabo HTPC10FCGS, you can get an excellent miter saw at a very affordable price. It's got a smaller 10-inch blade that can't cut through larger lumber, but for anything 2x6 and smaller, it's a great choice. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, it's got plenty of power to cut through anything that the blade will reach through. It's even great for cutting through metals if you switch the blade out. One problem we noticed with a lot of the premium 12-inch miter saws was that they were extremely heavy and bulky. You wouldn't want to move them around often. That's fine for a saw that will spend its life in a workshop, but if you ever move outside of your workspace for a project, then the smaller size and lighter weight of the Metabo C10FCGS will be a blessing that you'll appreciate. Even though it's smaller and cheaper than a lot of the competition, the 5-year warranty should provide peace of mind. For us, it all adds up to the best miter saw for the money. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.